Hey everyone. Well, I'm out in front of Salem Hall. It's a little weird, but I'll show you my daily routine. So we gotta have access to get in. So I'm teaching summer school. Gotta use my phone. All right. Got some access here. Gotta put the mask on. Just gotta wear your mask. All right. So you'll see we got arrows, so I'm supposed to go that way, but I'm gonna go this way. So no one's here yet. I'm the first one in the building. So you can see we got arrows showing us which way to go. Got the chemistry center. It's pretty much cleared out. Then I got my office where I can close the door, take off my mask. I can put this down, get a little hand sanitizer. So, wanted to welcome everyone to CHM111 Summer School Edition. I mapped out the whole class on kind of how we were going to cover the content, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's going to suck. And I don't mean that in a to be facetious. It actually will be a lot of work for you and for me. I think online has its benefits. I taught online last summer session, so summer session 1. Came up with some pretty good techniques and strategies, so I'm confident with the course delivery model will work for you. But what I do know is that it's going to be a lot of work to cover all the material that we need to for the class. So that is not to discourage you, but it is to just basically have your life in order and to prepare for like the kind of amount of work you'll need to do. So you'll have the flexibility in this class to be able to choose when you do your work and how long you do it for. And I will provide lots of flexibility, but it will be a lot of stuff every day. So you'll have the weekends to catch up, but Monday through Thursday for the lecture component of the class, it's going to be a lot of content. Every class period is basically a week's worth of content. So you know that's a lot of content to go over and to learn, and to do that 4 days in a row, it can be overwhelming. So I think a key thing that I learned for summer school is to work hard during the week and then really use those weekends to either catch up and also to recover. But I would not be working 40 hours a week just because you can, because you're at home. I would definitely use some scheduling to help you. And a lot of research has shown the more that you schedule your time like you would for a class, the more that everyone around you knows your schedule of when you're going to quote unquote class, the more you can kind of protect that time where you're not going to be interrupted or people aren't going to expect you to do things. So that can really help. That's what I found to be very helpful. Right now even though I can work from home, I can't work from home really with my children. So I'm in my office to get stuff done. So I would encourage you to kind of set up that routine, set that schedule. And honestly, I think that the online has a lot of benefits, but if used appropriately. So definitely make use of all the resources you have. I provide you lots of flexibility to accommodate everyone's different schedule, time zones, things like that. But you also, if you find yourself kind of doing everything last minute, it will catch up eventually. So try to avoid that. I'm pretty good at procrastinating, but I'm also pretty good at knowing exactly how long it takes me to do things. It's a little bit hard to do that for learning. And then come to office hours is really important to make that connection with yourself and for other students. You don't even have to have a question, but I found that the students who came to office hours for my summer sessions, or my summer session 1 and for the spring semester really were engaged and had a much more positive outlook of the course and the experience as well. So that's all I'm going to say in this little introductory video. I guess the only other thing that I didn't mention in my little intro is that I've taught this course every semester I've been here. This is going to be my 8th year at Wake Forest. I really like teaching this class. Most of us who are taking it, maybe we've taken it before or we've kind of put off taking it. And I want to recognize that and say that I will basically expect a lot out of you, but I will provide the same amount of support that is required to be successful in the course. So as long as you are bringing your A game, I will as well. And I really look forward to meeting all of you in this unique virtual environment. So don't be a stranger, and happy to be doing this summer.